Hello all my pinky pals and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you are returning. Today we are drawing stickers in Procreate. I've already sketched all of these and you can see that video. I did that before, so we've sketched out all of our ideas. Now I'm just creating them in Procreate, and by doing so I will then kind of get it ready to be a sticker. I am trying my lineless style again. I don't quite know why I'm doing this, but I am. So I do the first one. I kind of go a little slower, show you more steps, things like that, than I do in the later ones because there's a lot of them and I don't even show all of them. But essentially, I just kind of outline and then fill in and continue. So I've got the sketch on the first layer. We lighten that, of course, and then draw over top. I am kind of obsessed with these ducks. I'm also a little bit obsessed with the lineless style. I've been trying new things, or wanting to, and I used this month as an excuse to try lineless art style. All of my doodle prompts this month that haven't been either a tutorial or a mandala have been lineless, and I'm not doing everything lineless because one, I just like my tutorials. I think it's easier to, it's about drawing it, it's not about the style of it. And mandalas, it would just take me forever, and I want those to be, you know, they're meant to be colored in by other people, so it needs to have, you know, line work obviously. So yeah, anyway, you didn't really need to know that, but either way, we're doing the ducks, we're making them stickers, we're doing it lineless, and these will be available on my coffee shop. So they turned out really cute. These are digital stickers. I'm kind of obsessed with digital stickers right now because I love the idea of just being able to reuse stickers over and over and over again, printing them out myself, or not. Sometimes I just use them for like my digital scrapbooking and digital journaling and things like that, or sometimes I just want something really cute, and that's kind of where these stickers went. And I just wanted to say really quick, I'm kind of over the moon and completely flabbergasted and surprised and bewildered and shocked, and a whole bunch of other mixed feelings right now, mostly just pure joy. I logged into my YouTube because I was getting things ready and I was going to, you know, upload my video for today, which I ended up redoing the audio on it because I wanted to talk about this. Because when I logged in, I was very close to 500 subs. I actually just hit 500 subs. At least it was there. It might be gone again. Who knows, you know, if someone decided to, you know, unsubscribe. But I hit the 500 mark, and it kind of blew me away. More importantly, though, I received so many really, really, really lovely comments and just really kind comments, and it kind of blew me away. I posted I posted a short yesterday, and it really didn't do anything yesterday, and it's really cute, just a quick, you know, draw this in your style. I just kind of wanted to, you know, celebrate the fact that a friend of mine on Instagram hit 1,000 subscribers, and so I did her draw this in your style. It was really cute. The original is amazing, and it didn't do much, and that's fine. And then I woke up this morning and I logged in, and it kind of blew up, and I gained a whole bunch of new followers, and, well, really a whole bunch of new friends, and I just can't thank you enough. So I had to redo this part. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you. I really appreciate it so much. I couldn't even, you know, I literally just this past week have been really struggling with my YouTube channel, thinking, you know, what am I doing? Like, nobody actually cares. Nobody actually cares about my art or myself. And I mean, I get that nobody would care about me. I'm nobody to anyone right now, and I get that. And, you know, that's not something to be too upset about. But at the same time, I'm like, nobody cares about my art. I don't think I'm bringing any kind of value into anyone's existence right now. So, like, what am I doing? Like, and I'm still kind of thinking that way, but now I kind of am also thinking, you know, I am bringing some value, but how can I bring more? So I want to just I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do or how I'm going to thank you guys. I don't know if there's a way that I could. I don't know if like, there's no real possibility for me to do so. I don't think there's just, it is just kind of impossible for me to thank you in such, like words just can't, they just can't describe. So anyway, thank you so much. That's kind of it. And we'll move on. So same kind of thing over and over again with the stickers. I'm just drawing over top of the sketch, filling it in, I have to hand kind of color it in, which I do enjoy that part of lineless style. It's almost like being a kid again. And on top of that, then what I do is I take the monoline brush in Procreate, which is under the calligraphy header, I believe, and I use that to just outline it in white. So I outline it in white, and then that allows for kind of the sticker look whenever I put it on the little backing. So that's what I do. I really, really enjoyed doing these stickers. I think they turned out really cute. I'm kind of obsessed with these ducks. My husband says they look like pigeons. I don't care what he says. They're ducks, but also I'm in love with them. There's some that I didn't even show that are also really cute, but I love the little, like, the duck in the life preserver, which I think it's already gone. I'm not even paying attention at this point. I'm so excited. And yeah, so I think they're really cute. I really love them. I don't care if they look like pigeons. They're ducks. That's what they are. And I'm kind of obsessed with them right now. So I might just start a series just to spite them, to be like everything duck and just go with it. If you want to see everything ducks, just let me know. I would be happy to do so. I think they turned out really, really cute. And I love just their, like, expressionless face. It shows so much without actually showing anything. I don't know. I feel like ducks would be really good poker players. I don't have anything to say. I didn't really plan anything. I did, but now I don't even know where the script is. And I just really wanted to say thank you. I think actually I just kind of spoke a little bit in the first one, and then that was it. Because I don't speak a lot in these videos. But I did just really want to say thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for the comments I received this morning. So just thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so freaking much. I can't even. Words do not describe how grateful I am. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, you can see here on Canva is actually where I put the sticker sheet. I'm so sorry. I just went off the deep end there. But yeah, I arranged them on Canva. Just kind of try to make them look cute. I end up also putting an outline around them, which I thought was really nice as well, with the white outline and then another outline. It really worked. And then I have these like little dots and stars and stuff that I thought was just a cute little backer. I do try a couple of different colors as well, but that is literally it. And it will be on my Ko-fi. I'll link to everything. Thank you so much, guys. I just thank you. Just thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you all. Have a great day. Bye-bye.